Myself, Dr. D. Chiddaprakash, working as Associate Professor in the Department of ECE. Today, I am discussing about EMI subject. EMI means E for electronic, M for measurements, and I for instrumentation. We discuss about I, instrument. What is meant by instrument? The magnitude of quantity to be measured is called instrument. What is meant by measurement? To find out voltmeter, to find out ammeter, to find out current, voltage, measure, to find out current also by using measurements. Okay. In the measurement diagram, we find out some 4 blocks are there. Measurement system. By using measurement system, 4 blocks are very important. First block shows measurement. First block shows measurement. What is meant by measuring? The quantity to be measured. What is meant by quantity? Quantity means numbers. Quantity means numbers. Quantity means numbers. Quantity means numbers. Number, specific number is called quantity. The measuring output is applied to transducer. Measuring output is applied to transducer. What is meant by transducer? It converts one form of energy to another form. Okay, one form of energy to another form. What is meant by one form of energy? In the technical language, electrical to mechanical conversion, RS, mechanical energy to electrical. That is the function of transducer. Transducer means, once again, it converts one form of energy to another form. What is meant one form is electrical, another form is mechanical. RS, mechanical to electrical, vice versa. Again, transducer output is applied to signal conditioning. Signal conditioning. Signal conditioning. What is meant by signal? How define signal? Signal means any physical quantity which varies with time is called signal. Like sinusoidal signal is example of signal. Here, the physical quantity is varies with time. This is 0 will start here. 1 time period, 2 time period, like 3 time period. In the 0, 1, 2, physical quantity which varies with time. Varies with time is called, this is called signal. Signal is divided into 2 types of signal. One is analog, second is digital. Analog means continuous waveform. Here, the signal is continuous. Again, I am talking now, my speed, voice signal is, again, that is in the form of signal only. That is sinusoidal signal only. This is the signal. What is my digital signal? Particular intervals of time. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Particular intervals of time we can define digital signal. This is called signal. In signaling condition, we coming to the pictures. One is amplification, filtering, modulation, demodulation, data conversion. Data conversion is divided into A to D and B to D. Coming to amplification, what is meant by amplification? Amplification means strengthen the signal. Hello. Now voice is low. Hello means my voice is high now. In between the gap is strengthen the signal. That is called amplification. The signal should be converted. Weak signal should be converted to strong signal. RS strengthen the signal is called amplification. Next, filtering. Smoothen the waveform is called filtering. Smoothen the waveform. What is meant by modulation and demodulation? This concept is studied in communication. Modulation means its signal is converted to high frequency signal converted to low frequency signal. Quite the opposite of The definition is demorphism. What is meant by data conversion here? Data conversion is it is two forms. One is analog to digital form and digital to analog form. What is meant by analog to digital? Analog is we define a signal. This is called continuous signal. Is example of analog form. Sinusoidal signal is example of a analog form. Whereas pulses called digital form. Analog to digital form. This is called analog to digital conversion. Second classification is digital to analog conversion. This is about signaling condition. After the signaling condition, the output is applied to display. Everything we see values in display screen, display record. This is the last blocks of measurement system. Display. We want to see the values in display only. Then only we can find out these instrument values like this. That is not display record. This is the blocks of measurement system. Four blocks are there. First block is measurement. Second block transducer. Third block is signal conditioning. Fourth block is display record. Measurement means for quantity to be measured. Again, transducer output is again given to signal conditioning. Signal conditioning output goes to display. Here transducer means main role. It converts one form of energy to another form. That is very important. Again, signaling conditioning, for category amplification, filtering, modulation, and data conversion. Lastly, we see the values in display board. Again, we go for in measurement. Error measurement is very important. What is meant by error? Okay, deviation of values. Okay, actual values to measurement value. That is called error. Again, we find out error is the relationship between error is y of n minus x of n is called error. Here y of n is called measurement value. Okay, expected. X of n is expected value. E equal to one more relation, y of n minus x of n by y of n. In terms of percentage, E equal to y of n minus x of n by y of n into 100. In terms of percentage of error is y of n minus x of n by y of n into 100. If you want accuracy, means what is the formula? 1 minus y of n minus x of n by y of n. Based on this formula, we will do from problems. Let us take y of n equal to 80 and x of n equal to 40. Find out percentage of error, find out error, percentage of error, and last is accuracy. We will go first. Y of E equal to y of minus x of n. What is y of n value is 80 is given. What is x of n is value is given 40. 80 minus 40 is the error. Now, if you want percentage error is y of n minus x of n by y of n into 100. Here what is the value of y of n is 80 minus 40 by 40 into 100. 80 minus 40 is 40 by 80 into 100. 40 ones are 42 are 2 ones are 2 fifths are. How much percentage is 50% of error. If you find out accuracy, 1 minus y of n minus x of n by y of n. This is called accuracy. What is the accuracy here? 1 minus 50 got 49%. This is the accuracy in percentage. Let us take one more problem. Y of n is 50, x of n is 30. Find out error. Error is y of n is 50 minus 30 is called error. Percentage of error is 50 y of n minus x of n by y of n into 100. Here y of n is value is 50 x of n value is 30, again y of n 50 into 100. Okay, 50 into 50 minus 30, 20 by 50 into 100. 2 ones are, okay, 5 ones are 5, 20 times. 20 into 2, 40%. The percentage of error is here. Second problem is 40%. Again, we find out accuracy means 1 minus, again, y of n minus x of n by y of n. 1 minus y of n is given as 50 minus x of n is 30 by y of n is 50. Again, 1 minus 50 minus 30, 20, 50 into 100. Okay, 51 are 52 are. Okay, 1 minus 20 into 2 is 40. 40 minus 1 means 39 approximately. Okay, you should take minus 1 mod value you can take, that is the 39 is the accuracy here. Okay, this is about problems on error.